Benedict's test is a test for sugars. I have one water with Benedict's, one water with cane sugar only, one water with Benedict's and cane sugar, one water with Benedict's and syrup, and then one with water and syrup only. Let's take a look and see what we have learned. There is water and Benedict's only. Water plus cane sugar, that is turbinado sugar, so it's kind of dark. This is water plus Benedict's plus cane sugar. And here is water plus Benedict's plus syrup. And then lastly, here is water plus syrup only. So water plus Benedict's, water plus cane sugar, water plus Benedict's plus cane sugar, water plus Benedict's plus syrup, and then water plus syrup only. What do these test results indicate? By the way, I used roughly 5 milliliters of water in all of the samples and about a milliliter of Benedict's. I used a packet of cane sugar, and then kind of a rough pourable equivalent of syrup in both of these.